Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI. So in the website, you'll have to go to leonardo.ai and then you will be redirected here. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and click create an account, or if you already have an account, just go ahead and click launch app. Alright, and here we're going to go ahead and sign in. Alright, and there you go. So now we are in here. As you can see, we have here 150 coins. If you're going to go ahead and click this one, you can upgrade and basically choose the different perks for you. So for example here, this is 8,500 monthly tokens. This is for the cheapest subscription, and you can also go ahead and max it out unto unlimited generations. This one is unlimited image generations and another one is just unlimited generations. So basically the only difference between them is the video options. So yep, that just try to go ahead and choose which one you prefer. But I'm going to go back here and we're going to start generating image. So how are we going to do that one? You can just go ahead and click this one here to create a new image. But wait, let's try to check what are the images that are generated from this particular application. Alright, let's try to appreciate the beauty here. Wow. These are all AI generated images. That's amazing, right? Now, again, let's go back here at the top, click create new image, and I'm going to show you. So we're going to choose one image. All right, this one here, this is very important. And then you have a different options here to choose from. So the one that I'm going to go ahead and choose is the image dimension. So I'm going to go ahead and choose 512 by 512. I think this is the smallest one, but basically you can choose between the different options here. And also depending on what you're going to use here, the coins that you're going to use really is going to vary. So yep, let's try this one here. I'm going to go ahead and click for the model. So you have different models available here. Just go ahead and choose which one you prefer. You can try to experiment also. So for example, we have here Leonardo diffuser, or you can also click this one here to view other models available for you, as well as a description and sample image. So yep, here are some of them. So for example, Leonardo Vision XL, a versatile model that excels at realism in photography, better results with longer prompts. In our case, we're just going to go ahead and choose a shorter prompt. So in our case, we're going to go ahead and enter a short prompt. So we're going to go ahead and choose this one here, stunning outputs even with short prompts. So I'm going to click this one and click generate with this model. Now here you can choose a different style. Oops, seems like we only have Leonardo style. And then I'm going to go ahead and type a prompt. Alright, just something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and generate this one. Oh, it says here that we are only going to be using 3 tokens. But say for example, we're going to go ahead and enable this one here. This is the alchemy. And you also have here public images that is automatically generated. You can click this one here also to basically improve. But if you're going to do that, you'll need to understand that you'll have to be using more tokens for this one. So basically, the more things that you're going to go ahead and enable here, the more tokens that you'll be using. Yep, that is just how it is. And again, I'm going to go ahead and hit the generate. So we're going to go ahead and wait for this one. Alright, so this is our image right now. I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And yep, that is how it is looking right now. So this is again AI generated image. So you can go ahead and type more here. So you can close this one. And if you want to change, then what you're going to do is click this one here. And basically you will be able to choose other models. Say for example, if I were to choose photo real, click generate with this model. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and enter a prompt here. Alright, so the one that I have here is a stunning image of female Spider-Woman in a pink and white costume. So again, we have photoreal here. This is what we are going to be using. We have here different options to choose, but I choose cinematic, and I'm going to go ahead and generate. Again, we'll be using 16 tokens for this one. Alright, there you go. Again, this is a photo reel, so I'm going to go ahead and click this one. And this is how it looks. How amazing is that? And yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to use Leonardo AI.